Hello everybody and welcome to the biggest project ever! This is an 800 amp welder and today we are going to fix it. Okay, I lied. We're actually going to start fixing it. Actually, I lied again. We're going to work on it today. But it's going to be an epic video, come along and watch. Our first task is to get this big lifting eye off because it's in the way. With that out of the way, let's get this hood off. Epic underhood reveal. Over here is where the action should be happening, but unfortunately it doesn't. This pony motor is at least 70 years old, and it doesn't work. First, let's get the fuel tank free, and then look at the carburetor. That's a lot of sediment. Hear that? Fuel tanks aren't supposed to sound that way. I think we have a problem. Well, this engine apparently runs on solid fuel. Imagine! Caterpillar made some neat stuff back in 1955. A lot of dehydrated gasoline right there. Okay, is there any end to this? This is carburetor and I bet it's plugged up. Okay, now please, I want this carburetor to have been run out of gasoline. And the carburetor is full of dried up sediment. Here's the main jet and it's only partially blocked. Imagine. When you have a really tiny jet like this, take a piece of guitar string wire, around over here we have a new problem, because of course we do. This is a centrifugal release that disengages the pony motor when the big diesel engine starts. It is permanently in the engaged position and nothing will make it come loose. So, knock her loose. Why? There we go. Oh, baling wire. That's a sure sign that somebody else was here before me. And that is never a good thing. Yay, broken baling wire. Dings right there. Oh. Things you find scraping. Much improved. Aha! It almost worked. This valve leaks. Oh man, does it ever leak. So today, we're going to unleak it. This pipe thread tape allegedly is resistant to gasoline. Put in about that much. And tighten up that packing nut. Honestly, not super optimistic, but it might work. Not wet. No. Ow! If you kick this thing and call it a case, does it stout?
Maybe.
You sorry old case! Anything else we can call it?